Hi everyone, welcome to our Deal No Deal story time. In this episode, let's talk about mention tax. So mention tax is closing costs that you pay to the government at closing. When you buy an apartment that's between 1 and 2 million, you pay 1% of the purchase price to the government. And if it's above 2 million, it's more than 1%. But for this episode, let's just focus on this first tier. So lately, we have a buyer. We had a buyer who wanted to buy two units in the same building. Both the units were individually priced just under a million. And so the buyer was going to live in one and use the other one as investment to generate income. You would think, right, in this scenario, you would not be subject to mention tax. Because what wrong? For tax purposes, there is a bundling up effect, meaning if you buy multiple units in one building, they're combined for tax consideration. So in this case, if you buy under your name, then you're subject to mention tax on both of them. And also, there's another little known fact about mention tax is in the case of new construction, right? It is customary where buyers pay the sponsor's transfer taxes. And if that is the case, let's say you buy a unit that's again just under a million, and you end up paying the 1.825% transfer tax to the sponsor. What happens is the government will put that tax money add back into the purchase price, which will bump you above a million and trigger mention tax in that scenario too. So you want to really be careful and ask your attorney, really check with the attorney to make sure your total value for tax consideration is not above a million. But there is also good news. Let's say you're buying something just above a million. There may be legal ways to avoid mention tax as well. But for that, please reach out to me. I look forward to talking with you next time.